Welcome back. Learn how to manually enroll students in your courses using Academy LMS add-on. Whether it's one student or a whole batch, we've got you covered. First, enable the Manual Enrollment add-on. Next, navigate the Student menu. Select the Enroll Student option. Select a course. Then select Students by scrolling or searching and hit Enroll Now. And that's it. Your student is now enrolled. Here's how students view their enrolled courses on the dashboard. Let's explore how bulk enrollment works. Click Enroll Student again and select Bulk Enrollment. Here are CSV file upload options. CSV file must have an email address and course ID. Navigate to your courses to find the course ID. Add the course ID to your CSV file. Choose and upload CSV file and click Import Now, and done. You have successfully enrolled a bulk number of students in no time, and that's how you use the Manual Enrollment add-on in Academy LMS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Academy LMS channel for more tutorials.